H22A. There's parts all over in here for this thing. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I got something I'm pretty excited about to show y'all and share with y'all. I went and picked up a new project car this morning. It's a 94 Prelude SI. It's definitely a project, right? This one definitely needs a bunch of love. But it's got a way straighter body than the RSX does. It doesn't need nearly the amount of anything that the RSX needs. So I mean, besides it needs a full interior because it's gutted kind of right now. So there's a long list of aftermarket parts on this car. I'd have to sit down and write it all out and explain everything that's on it. The worst part about the whole car, this whole body, is probably this spot right here. And the guy I got it from, a good buddy of mine, he didn't paint this car or prep it, but I was over there. The kid already had the car on his trailer for me to borrow his trailer to haul it back over here. And we were kind of looking at everything. I was looking at this spot with him, and I ran my fingers along the back side. And I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a bunch of body filler right here, so I'm assuming this quarter panel's pretty rusty. Like me and him were talking. The guy he got it from cleared these out and painted the insides of them silver, so that looks pretty good. Whoever he had do the paint job didn't do a really good job masking stuff off or anything, because they just around the edges of the door handles, and there's no really overspray on nothing. They just didn't do a good job on. At least I don't think they did a good job. They should have pulled the handles off, I think. But I'll show y'all. Needs to be cleaned up in here pretty badly. Currently it's not running, and it smells like death in here because this little guy back here got in here and got stuck or something, so I gotta dig him out in a minute. But it's got an H22 swap in it already, so that's a big plus. As you can see, there's parts all over in here for this thing. Kind of organized me a spot on the shelf right here for all the Prelude parts. We gotta go through what we got sitting here. Underneath this intake, I got an Act lightweight flywheel. We got the AEM cold air intake. We got a 70mm throttle body, Skunk 2 70mm throttle body. This VMS Racing lightweight crank pulley. The chipped ECU that's tuned for these injectors. Back here, there's an EGR delete plate in there. The Wallbar 255 pump. AEM fuel rail. And this box is just a bunch of random stuff. That's the install kit, I'm assuming, for the fuel pump. Oh, there was two brand new belts in there as well. And oh, forgot to bring this in the shop. The timing cover's already cut. And we got a set of AEM adjustable cam gears here that I need to take the hardware off and paint it or polish it or something. I'm trying to clean the stuff up, make it look a little better, you know. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna figure this one out. Anyways, lots of good parts between everything that was in here. Like I said, I just need to get this thing running first, and then I can go from there, obviously, because right now it doesn't do any good to put all these aftermarket parts on a car that won't crank up and run, right? Oh, he's crispy. Oh. Oh, wait, throw channel locks too. So nasty. Sterilize my channel locks now. I'm gonna have to go get my vacuum cleaner out here. Suck all that out of there. Because it's gonna stink in here still if I don't. Vacuumed up all the rat crap that was in here. So as it sits, so like it's got power. The little illuminating light around the key ring lights up. The little annoying buzzer buzzes. That's actually pretty good. That's not loud. It wasn't that loud a minute ago. I don't hear fuel pump priming. The clutch is depressed to the floor right now, and it doesn't do anything. So you can hear the chime is a lot weaker. With all that being said, I gotta go find some wiring diagrams on this thing, because I got my test light out and I was checking all over the place, and it's the wire. I don't know what's up with it. Getting power in some places and not in other places. I need to take this off the back here and take my test light and check around the actual ignition wiring. Let me take that key out. We're gonna work on it and get it right. That's all that matters. Get this thing back running, back on the road. Just NA like it is. Maybe not like it is. After I get all the stuff that he bought for it on it, this thing could be a fun little street car, just NA like it is. Definitely gonna have a lot more power than stock, right? But I'll update y'all more as I figure out a little more with this wiring.